That mindset of innovation, that has been there since the earliest days when Norm founded the business, and it still thrives within our organization today. We think differently. We look further out. We look for ways to disrupt the industry and to really set the bar higher than anyone else is thinking. That drive to push boundaries and to lead the industry where it's heading is something that will never change. We have continually developed solutions, introduced new product innovation, and stayed well ahead of our competition. Our goal within AAON is to redefine what the future of HVAC looks like. AAON as an organization is solving problems. We're not just following industry mandates. We push performance limits so that our technology works every time, in every climate, in every market, and for every customer. It's about options, it's about features, it's about adaptability. We don't stop when we reach acceptable. We don't stop when the industry thinks we've gotten to a good enough stage. We simply push and push and push until we reach exceptional. And exceptional is just the beginning.